we're going through Fort Lauderdale
Tem a
right
polícia
now.
aqui, eu tô dirigindo aqui, ó. Tem polícia todo canto.
Our friend
Tchau,
is
tchau,
talking
abraço.
to his friend. And this is
Hey,
Fort
John.
Lauderdale. It's
John,
Yeah.
I was talking in Brazil just now.
Yeah.
My brother-in-law. And,
it's April 10th,
well, I tell you what.
2017, and we're about to go to
You
outside
put the heat
Fort
on that
Lauderdale.
thing. Next time I don't want you to touch, if you don't mind, alone. I want to be with you now. Because if something goes wrong, man,
Yeah.
be mad at me.
Boat.
So, no, you won't sound. It's hard to sound come off, man. I mean, you're not stupid. You're not going to run off because there's a little bit of a bucket of water in the middle. So, but let's be there. I'm going to fool with it a
I'm
little
gonna see
bit
if the
and
camera
see.
will focus.
I will put the knee pad that you give me the other day. And I'll deal with it a little bit in my mind.
When I give you a little
No, I put the spot that we use for the wheel, I'll put on my knee. If
Yeah.
I need, I don't need it. I never use it. But I'm gonna go look into that. The heat is important. Otherwise, I'm gonna bang a little more to the bottom, and
I'm gonna listen to some music,
if we
dude.
could press it out, you
So
know,
I'm
but
not
there's no
gonna
space
talk
for
much.
any.
One, because they're having a conversation. And
My
two,
next thing is also to try to remove the
throat
handle,
hurts.
the square. There's no
I'll
screw
see
in
you
it.
guys at the end of this
Tap it
video.
out.
Thanks.
Because we can put a crescent range there, a big crescent range.
I put, you know, it's about this long, and I put another range on it, and it still wouldn't come.
Jesus Christ, with the grease. Well, you know, believe me, we don't set that for nothing on the body. If it ain't broken, don't fix it, because we get in trouble. But you want your toilet, but this is the kind of thing you fight when the body's out of the water.
Yeah, right.
Because you can always unbolt the whole thing.
Right.
You can say, man, I'm taking off the tool.
Right.
Then on the vise, you work it, you heat, put it back. So, you know, the tank is full. You'll go empty at the marina. You'll fill up your boat of water.
Swimming Hall
A
of
woman
Fame.
is coming. She's gonna use the toilet 5 times a
Sitting
day.
in a Hall of
We
Fame.
just,
No, it's all right. It's a window.
ICW, Intercoastal Waterway.
You had lunch already?
Not yet.
no, we'll,
Give him some food on the way. I just had a salad a few minutes ago. See, I'm sick from the plane, the mud. It's definitely not the plane, it's the earth she puts. There is a smell to that, and that gives me asthma.
yeah.
So she's dealing with that. Get him some food for you, and him, where would you like to stop? On 17th Street, there's plenty of space. 17th Street Bridge. Near the Publix, you know, and everything. There's a bunch of things. We stop quickly, and then we go there, then we go to Home Depot.
Damn, I wish I'd have brought
I'll
that.
show you guys the Swimming
What?
Hall of Fame,
that
but we're going to the well so we can
tarp.
fix our boat. We're gonna probably do a
shit.
tour of the boat.
But next time.
My phone is
It
almost
wouldn't,
dead,
it wouldn't
so
take somebody just a minute to.
that'll take
Well,
a
we'll put
while.
it in the
Maybe
car next
tomorrow,
time.
maybe later on today, but we will
But
do
it's
that.
already 3:20,
Alright.
and we'll get it done, you know. Maybe it should be in the trunk of my car, because
Yeah.
as I drive around like this, go ahead, man. Yeah, as I drive around, I hope she don't get hit on the other lane. Okay, that's a nice car she got.
Right.
I could always stop at the place to stitch it. Yeah, you need your awning for the rain, the sun. The dog can stay outside in her at night, you know.
He's, oh, look at how they pump that concrete.
Oh yeah, every building next to us there that they built already. Every Friday usually they put a floor, you know. So they put ping concrete like crazy. They're so fast. They're so fast, man. They built that. You see, we can have a lot of this. Those blocks, you know, to make it smooth, and then they sand. That's the other dust. But they're really efficient. I think those guys are really good building a building.
Yeah.
But the finished touch,
There's the fire
they
station
don't
right
want to
out
put
here.
the money. They got pressure.
There's
They
where
know
they
how to
did
do
the
it, but
Triton Expo.
people probably said the control.
Look at all those yachts, dude.
As far as
Can you
putting floor
believe
5,
I live on
one
a
floor a
yacht?
week,
It's
they
not
get
a big
money.
yacht. I mean, It's not like the
Anytime.
130 footers. It's a
But they're not
43
good to
footer.
finish.
Maybe someday, dude.
From what I
Maybe
look,
someday.
don't like.
Maybe 10 or 12 years, or maybe in 50 years. Who knows? This YouTube channel will go on for a long, long time, I promise.
But organics also. Because here in America, all the soy is transgenic. GMO, you know. They mess with the soil.
Our friend likes to talk about health, so listen to the background for health tips.
Some soil. Again, he said it's organic. They put you non-GMO on it. But how can I put it? It's hard to control the money. Why are you asking me?
Yes.
Muggy today. It was a little bit sunny, going on till about 3 o'clock. Around 12 or 1 o'clock, it was a nice sunny day. I thought about going to the beach, but no way. Look at this. So cloudy right now.
Last night.
Now we're about to go.
Pasta.
So in the past 2 videos, we rode the 9 bots.
Throw it in the refrigerator.
Leaf, a leaf. Nissan Leaf.
Yeah,
the EV.
Throw it in the refrigerator. Why would you do that? Did you eat it?
No, I'm
But in the last video, we were riding, for the last couple of videos, we were riding the 9 bots, electric unicycles.
And you have, what are you doing?
YouTube videos.
Are you talking to somebody? No, he's not talking to somebody.
What are you doing all this noise?
YouTube.
YouTube.
He's talking to himself.
Yeah.
But anyway.
Pasta in the fridge.
Onion and bacon cooked.
No eggs?
No eggs. Onion and bacon, and then cold pasta. And you put it in the pot like Chinese do.
Yeah, the wok. Yeah.
Milk, yeah.
Yeah.
Put soy sauce. Oh, that's so delicious.
Yeah, I think it's good.
Yeah.
It sounds good. But next time I'll try to bring you some.
Up here is the bridge. We rode the 9 bots over. We were apprehensive about it, but they went over it like nothing. Go to Speedy Feet UK to get a full review.
You have to cook what you enjoy eating. That gives you the energy to cook.
Yeah.
You cook. She cook. I don't cook anymore. I help,
You know, when you got...
Oh shit, I had a piece of pie for you guys. A lemon pie she made out of their mind. I don't eat it. But I have it in the house, man. Tonight. Bring it.
This bridge here,
Yeah.
the first time we was worried on that wheel, was so worried, go up the hill. Oh, it is so easy. Well, the whole head, you're going up like this, but your thing is straight all the time.
It's a powerful motor, man. 200 pounds.
And going down, it's the same thing. You're just, it's so easy.
I hope I cross that bridge one day.
I hope you do.
So yeah. I just have to be determined. Big circle.
Great.
Yeah. They're always motoring. I see the Australian from the car. The bow and the stern. See, I have no problem with the northeast wind. Northeast wind, like now, if you could stay northeast, I'll be in good shape. The ball will always be straight, like everybody has also. Sorry. I think they're just resting. The dinghy's on deck, no? They see the weather today, they don't feel like to go. I see they have a flag of Dominican Republic in the spreader.
Oh, really?
I wonder if that's where they come from, or Bahamas. What you gonna eat?
What do you want to eat, Suzanne?
I really don't care.
I'll show you a good place. How about Einstein? You know Einstein? Right there.
I don't
Otherwise, there's sushi
know.
next to it. There's a lunch place, you know. Look at all the places.
Oh, Einstein. Okay.
There is Shula
yeah.
Burger, there is Chipotle
Chipotle.
Chicken, there is Cold Stone. You can do your nail too. There is Starbucks.
Eat now or later?
I can eat. I'm not hungry.
Einstein brother.
I don't have to eat now.
Wait, let me make a stop. Let you choose. Gourmet food and wine, Einstein bagel, Starbucks coffee,
Starbucks.
Tokyo sushi.
Tokyo.
You sit outside, man. They give you some sushi. It's a lunch place, you know. There's lunch place here.
I'll see you guys in the next episode.
It's all the place for all the yacht around here. Here you have an